Hi, I'm Avery, and I'm 12 years old, and I'm here with Del Sol National Charity League. Today, I'm going to be tie-dyeing, so let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a cloth, so you'll keep the countertop clean. The next thing you'll need is dye, so you can tie-dye your shirt. The next thing is you'll need a white shirt. The final thing is rubber bands, so you can put your thing together to make a cool design. Oh, I almost forgot the most important thing, the gloves, so you won't get your hands all colorful. Now, I'll need to get the colors on, so let's get that on. I really like blue, so I'm going to use blue, and I already added water because I've done this before, and so I'm going to shake it up a little bit more. And then now, we have, I think I'm going to do purple, so I'm going to go get water into this, and then I'm going to use a light blue, which is going to be very nice. And now I'm going to go get water into it. So now the water, I got to fill up to the line. And then now I'm going to do the purple. And then now you got to shake it up. Let's go back outside. Now that we have our colors, we need to go get the shirt. So let's go get the shirt. Got the shirt, let's go put it in the wash. Now we finished the shirt, and so it's out, and I kind of put it already in the rubber bands, so she should be all ready now. I'm gonna get the gloves on. Let's dye. I was thinking of doing a little like, kind of like, I don't know what design, but I was thinking of doing this like kind of dollish design. So I'm gonna grab some blue color, and I'm just gonna, okay, now I'm gonna get the purple, and okay, so I got a hopper open, finally. So I was thinking of doing this cool design. So I'm gonna get the purple on first, and then the dark blue, and then the light blue. It's dotted, and I guess that's kind of cool. So let's get the purple on. Okay, I got the purple on, which is actually really nice. It actually looks really nice. Nice. And then I'm gonna get the dark blue on. Light blue on. Dots of this blue on that side. Dots of that. Dots of that blue. And done. It actually looks really nice. We gotta let it sit though. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 hours, I guess, and then we'll get it going. Okay, now the shirt's all ready. We're gonna go wash it.